At the end of this lesson, we'll be able to define chemistry, list the importance of chemistry, and also list the main branches of chemistry.
First question, what exactly is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, structure, property, and changes of matter. Now, matter simply means anything that has mass and occupies space. That means everything around us, the chair I'm sitting on, the air I'm breathing, even the food I eat, they are all matter. Chemistry is often called the central science because it connects with almost every other science, physics, biology, medicine, agriculture, engineering. Hence, chemistry is behind the drugs, vaccine, and antiseptic that saves life. In agriculture, we depend on fertilizer, pesticide, food preservatives. In industry, things like plastics, meat, glass come from chemistry. For the environment, chemistry helps us treat waste, control pollution, and even develop renewable energy. And in our home, chemistry gives us soap, detergents, cooking gas, and food preservation. There are 6 major branches. We have organic chemistry, we have inorganic chemistry, we have physical chemistry, we have analytical chemistry, we have biochemistry, we have industrial chemistry.